Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool, which will be very helpful for you to write your prompts easily. So whenever we are using chatbots, it may be any chatbot that is starting from ChatGPT, Gemini, AI, or the cloud, Copilot, so whatever the chatbot, DeepSeek, whatever the chatbot it may be. So you have to give the prompt to what is you needed for correctly. So sometime we may fail to give perfect prompts what we have expected, so thereby the results generated by that chatbot will not be satisfied, will not be satisfied. So whenever you are going to give any input prompts, so you have to give perfectly and precisely. In order to enhance your prompts, today we are going to discuss about an important AI tool which will be very useful for us to enhance your prompt. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. So before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online MATLAB workshop on basics to advanced applications. So this workshop is for free, so you can register our online workshop. The main objective of this workshop is to make familiarize with the basics of MATLABs and basic programming and what are the important simulink block available in MATLAB. So these are the things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register this online workshop and learn more about MATLAB. So moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that, so create prompt. So here this is the AI tool which is specially designed to create prompt. So here you can see you can give an input like this. So here an example is given already here. Create promotional content for smartwatch focusing on health features and modern aesthetics. So I am going to give a research prompt to here. Generate an outline for the research paper titled implementation of machine learning based algorithms in network security. So like that I am going to give an input prompt. So the prompt creation mode, so you can give select that is fast mode or expert mode, whatever you want you can give. I am going to give fast mode. So and then just whatever the language you want you can select. There are different languages are available. I am going to select it as English. So after that just to give on generate prompt. So before that you have to sign in with your mail ID. So no, don't worry, there will be a free credits available in this. So you can give your free credits. By using free credits you can generate the prompt. So it will take several seconds and it will authenticate. So thereby, so this is the plans and pricings for free. So $0 you can use 150 prompt credits per month, 5 prompt credits per day. For a day you can use up to 5 credit, that is prompt. Next, full access to browser extension, unlimited prompt storage. So if you want to subscribe option, so you will be having 50 prompts credits for daily. So you can avail this option. So if you are often use this kind of tools, that is chatbots. So this is all about this TaoPrompt AI tool. So let us see how this prompt will be enhanced. So here comes our prompts. A detailed prompt will be created. So here you can see you are an expert academic research paper outline generator specializing in computer science and cyber security topics. Your task is to create a comprehensive, well-structured research paper outline for the given research topic. So key guidelines. So here understand the research topic. You can outline the structure requirements, recommended outline sections, specific section guidelines, and then formatting instructions, output instructions. So this is how the example of your output format will be. So this is how a detailed prompt will be created based upon that input prompt. So in the same way I am going to give, instead of outline, so I am going to give as a abstract. So let us see how this prompt will be enhanced. So this is for outline generation. So the next what we are going to explore is that for abstract generation. So let us see how it will work out. So here you can see that you are an expert academic research writer specializing in generating concise, informative research paper abstracts in computer science and cyber security domains. Your task is to generate a professional structured abstract for a research paper based on the provided title and keywords. So here you will be asked to give the details. So after that, so here you can see that the abstract generation guidelines also will be given. So the length will be 250 to 300, so it will be perfect one. So next, use precise technical language, highlight innovative aspects of research, avoid overly technical jargon, focus on clarity and conciseness, use passive voice sparingly. So these are the important things we won't do while writing our abstract. So this will be very helpful for you to enhance your abstract. So next, abstract structure. First sentence, introduction, introduce research context and core problem. Next is second sentence, describe a specific machine learning approach. Third sentence, explain key methodological innovations. Fourth sentence, summarize primary research findings. Final sentence, discuss potential broader impacts. Next, you can see, please generate the abstract using the following inputs. So you can give the title, keywords, etc. So next, output your abstract, so that abstract will be generated. So this is how you have to enhance your prompts before using any of the chatbot. So whenever you are using chatbot, please try out this kind of AI tools, because so if you give a normal prompt as like human do, you cannot get the expected content what you want. So in order to get the perfect content, so you must have to use this kind of tools, which will be very helpful for you to generate perfect prompt. If the prompts are perfect, automatically the answers generated by any of the chatbot will be perfect. So another important thing is that, so here you can see frost mode and expert mode. That expert mode you can select in expert mode also. So in this expert mode, so again you can just click on this, but so here you can see the daily limit will be reached. So the expert mode can be availed only for your that is upgrade option. So you can use fast mode for free, so and you can generate up to 5 prompts. As I have used this expert mode, so automatically it will take one it will take 5 credits. So then only it will give that today's credit, that is totally 5 out of 5 for daily will be ruled out. So this is how this TaoPrompt will works out. So you can go on and explore this TaoPrompt with your own research prompts and generate best prompts out of it, and use it in any of the AI tool to generate better content for your research paper. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day.